Are you ignoring these early back pain signs? Back pain is one of the most common health complaints, affecting millions of people worldwide. Yet, many of us tend to brush it off assuming it's temporary, caused by a bad night's sleep or a long day at work. However, ignoring early signs of back pain can lead to bigger problems down the road. By recognizing and addressing these warning signs early, you can prevent chronic discomfort and more serious issues. One of the most overlooked early signs is stiffness, especially in the morning. If you find it hard to bend over, twist, or get out of bed without feeling tight or uncomfortable, your back might be trying to tell you something. Morning stiffness can be a sign of inflammation or early degeneration of the spinal discs. It's important not to dismiss it, especially if it becomes a daily occurrence. Another common sign is mild, nagging pain that comes and goes. You might feel a dull ache after sitting for too long, or a bit of discomfort after lifting something heavy. These small signals are easy to ignore because they often go away with rest. However, they can indicate muscle imbalances, poor posture, or the beginning of spinal strain. Left untreated, they may develop into more serious injuries, like herniated discs, or chronic muscle tightness. Frequent headaches or neck pain can also be linked to back problems, particularly in the upper spine. If you notice tension headaches that start at the base of your skull, or pain that spreads into your shoulders, poor posture or spinal alignment issues could be the root cause. Early chiropractic care or physical therapy may help correct these problems before they worsen. Tingling, numbness, or weakness in the arms or legs is a more serious red flag. These symptoms may suggest nerve involvement, such as a pinched nerve or spinal disc issues. While not always severe at first, these sensations should never be ignored. They can progress into loss of function or chronic nerve damage if not properly treated. Sudden or unexplained back pain, especially if it's constant and doesn't improve with rest, also deserves immediate attention. If it's accompanied by other symptoms like fever, weight loss, or difficulty controlling your bladder or bowels, you should seek medical help right away. These could be signs of an infection, tumor, or other serious spinal condition. In many cases, early back pain is manageable and reversible. Stretching, improving posture, regular exercise, and ergonomic adjustments at work and home can make a big difference. But the key is to listen to your body and act before the pain becomes a bigger problem. In conclusion, early signs of back pain are easy to overlook but important to recognize. Whether it's stiffness, mild aches, or unusual sensations, these symptoms can be your body's way of warning you. Don't wait until the pain becomes unbearable. Taking action early can help you stay healthy, active, and pain-free for the long term. Want some daily habits? Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.